Presenting the new Redmi Note 10X. It is available in 3 different colors: frost white, deep sea blue and shadow black. The phone comes in 2 variants, 6GB RAM and 64GB memory, and the other variant comes in 6GB RAM and 128GB memory. Memory can be expanded up to 512GB. This phone is dual SIM capable with dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It is a 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. It has a resolution of 1080 x 2040 pixels with 20:9 aspect ratio. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. The phone is equipped with quad camera setup. Main camera has 64 megapixel lens. There is 8 megapixel ultra wide with 118-degree field of view (FOV), 2 megapixel tele macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Front camera is in display with 13 megapixel. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core 12nm processor with up to 2.05 GHz clock speed. Operating system is Android 11. It comes with 5000 mAh battery bundled with 33-watt fast charger in box, which boosts the charging speed as well as provides great battery backup. The box includes Redmi Note 10X, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case, screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with standard brand quality. Pay online using debit or credit card or net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product details.
Is Xiaomi's latest model and sits firmly between the Redmi Note 10 and the Redmi Note 10 Pro. It has an AMOLED display, 40 cameras on the back, and the large capacity battery that's supports fast charging out of the box. Here is a look at the top right features of the Redmi Note 10S. Design: the Redmi Note 10S is a lightweight design. Phone is available in blue gradient or solid frost white and shadow black colors to choose from. Display: Xiaomi Redmi Note 10S features a large 6.4-inch display that uses the Super AMOLED panel with full HD resolution. This has a punch-hole cutout in the center for the selfie camera up front, and it comes with a layer of AMOLED glass screen for added protection against raw. The display has been doubled from the white performance cores running at up to 2.05 GHz and 6 power efficient cores clocked at 2 GHz. This is paired with 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB UFS 2.2 storage, along with support for a micro SD card. It is capable of running and switching between multiple apps and ultraviolet conditions. Battery. Xiaomi has equipped the Redmi Note 10s with a large capacity 5000 mAh battery that supports 33 watt fast charging out of the box. On regular usage, users can expect more than a day's worth